Piquant.
Piquant mean interesting, charming, tasteful, exciting.
Opposite meanings are insipid, nauseating, unpalatable, unsavory.
Pillage.
Pillage mean ransack, ravage, despoil, plunder.
Opposite meanings are recompense, recover, redeem, restoration.
Perverse.
Perverse mean petulant, obstinate, stubborn, unyielding.
Opposite meanings are complacent, docile, willing, consenting.
Pertness.
Pertness mean flippancy, impudence, impertinence, petulance.
Opposite meanings are modesty, diffidence, subservient, obedient.
Perspicuity.
Perspicuity mean transparency, discernment, lucidity, intelligibility.
Opposite meanings are perplexity, intricacy, obscurity, vagueness.
Perseverance.
Perseverance mean persistence, endurance, tenacity, steadfastness.
Opposite meanings are indolence, lethargy, stupor, sloth.
Persecute.
Persecute mean torment, harass, intimidate, domineer.
Opposite meanings are recompense, redress, comfort, console.
Perplex.
Perplex mean puzzle, confound, frustrate, baffle.
Opposite meanings are convince, ascertain, confident, assure.
Perpetual.
Perpetual mean uninterrupted, lasting, perennial, incessant.
Opposite meanings are passing, transient, ephemeral, fleeting.
Peril.
Peril mean hazard, danger, jeopardy, compulsory.
Opposite meanings are caution, security, safely, assurance.
Peremptory.
Peremptory mean overbearing, absolute, arbitrary, compulsory.
Opposite meanings are tolerant, indecisive, optional, indulgent.
Penetrate.
Penetrate mean pierce, perforate, insert, infiltrate.
Opposite meanings are discharge, leak, seep, emerge.
Peevish.
Peevish mean perverse, sullen, irritable, fretful.
Opposite meanings are suave, amiable, polite, pleasant.
Peerless.
Peerless mean matchless, unrivaled, unique, surpassing.
Opposite meanings are mediocre, commonplace, inferior, imperfect.
Paramount.
Paramount mean foremost, eminent, supreme, unrivaled.
Opposite meanings are trivial, inferior, subsidiary, ordinary.
Panic.
Panic mean apprehension, dismay, alarm, dread.
Opposite meanings are calm, confidence, security, tranquility.
Pamper.
Pamper mean spoil, indulge, flatter, please.
Opposite meanings are chasten, correct, deny, disparage.
Palpable.
Palpable mean distinct, prominent, plain, concrete.
Opposite meanings are concealed, obscure, intangible, covert.
Palliate.
Palliate mean extenuate, moderate, alleviate, soften.
Opposite meanings are denounce, condemn, reproach, reprehend.
Placid.
Placid mean tranquil, calm, compose, unruffled.
Opposite meanings are turbulent, hostile, agitated, volatile.